Welcome. In front of me is a Niteo Tools Titan, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. And to get started, you want to power off the device by holding the power key and selecting power off. Now I will warn you, and once I press on that power off, it's gonna get loud. The noise that it makes when it's shutting off, it's quite deafening, so prepare yourself. Okay, now that that's gone, now the device is off, what you want to do is hold power key and volume down, both keys at the same time, and you should be in boot mode. And in here you will use volume up only to navigate, and you want to select the first option, which is recovery mode, and then confirm it with volume down. There we go. Give it a moment and we should see the no command Android. So while holding power key, press volume up once. This is a little bit more difficult because the power key is not really working well, but there we go. And from here you should be in recovery mode. So again, using volume keys, this time you can use both of them. You want to select wipe data factory reset and then confirm it with power key. And again, select yes, delete all user data. And again, power key to confirm it. Now I will warn you that this will remove basically everything from the device, pictures, videos, apps. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand. But assuming you have already done it, or well, you don't want to, simply press power key once more and the process will begin. As you can see, formatting data. And soon after we should see data wipe complete. There we go. And reboot system now should be selected by default. So press power key once more. And this will reboot the device. Now this will be going on for like a minute to 3 minutes around, and once it's finished we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.